guys. I'm gonna go around 50 meters. So 51, 52, 53. Okay, let's see what's around. See if we can take something nice on the road. I think there's more wind there. So on the 60 and it's lagging. So the height difference is a problem too. I mean, depends too from your range of FPV, but it's really shaky. To be honest, he's really, really shaky. So I lost, no, came back, still going. Oh, nice places. Let's go a little bit higher, 60 meter, because still 120 I can go here. So I have, uh, still, I still have FPV. We are at 1 kilometer. Let's turn this because he's gonna come from there somewhere. And let's see, 1100, and I still have FPV. 1300, still FPV. Let's gimbal a little bit. Like you can see, now completely up. So my gimbal, my FPV is gone. Ah, it's back. 1800 distance. 1889. It keeps going. No, that was it. Like you can see, 1889. And let's hit it back. Let's see how fast he's gonna come. And FPV is still there, but it's saying 1200 distance. Let's see if it's really there. No, disconnect. So 188. Come on, 1900. Damn, he's fast. Ah, he's fast. He's far. Let's hit. That comes back. Yeah, yeah. Look the speed that he's coming back. Damn. Connect successful. What do you mean? I'm connected. Yeah, I'm connected. 1400 meters, I'm connected. Yeah, my gimbal is working. Not 100%, but it's working. With a huge delay. Hey, look at that. So 500 meters. It's like I'm hearing him somewhere. So 1889 meters. 200. Yeah, yeah, he's almost here. There, a bird. Yeah, whoa, he's high. Check that. There he is. What's the height? Oh, 70. uh, 63. There, he's seeing us. No, that's not me. Yeah, my telephone go ground. Let me take my telephone. So he's still coming. But at this point, I can take it over. Look at that. That not the nice drone. Look at that. How fast is your tree? That I didn't test yet. Let's see. Where he's going. I must be honest. He's really nice to fly. So so nice places. Oh, batteries again. Empty? Yeah, he's saying zero. So let's take over and bring it first back. So fast, fast, fast. Seems this battery I didn't really load. So we're gonna put them a little bit before. So we're gonna put them there. So that was it for the distance test from the L900.